On January 22nd, 2026, Nike will reintroduce the Nike Kobe 1 Protro 81 points, commemorating the exact 20th anniversary of that historic night. Originally released as a PE in 2007 through the Y81 campaign, the shoe resurfaced in 2019 with updated technology, and now it's back for fans of Kobe Bryant's unrelenting scoring ability. The Lakers' trademark combination of white, black, and court purple is present in this edition. Zoom air cushioning and a carbon fiber shank provide game-ready performance, while the upper is made of high-quality leather. The insole of the shoe honors 4 cities associated with Kobe's scoring runs: Los Angeles, Houston, Atlanta, and Denver. On January 22nd, 2026, a few Nike basketball stores and Nike.com will carry the Nike Kobe 1 Protro 81 points. The retail price tag is $210.